do you do?
How do you do?
Biddly bomb.
Biddly bomb.
Biddly bon?
Noise of the train, biddly bomb.
Biddly bomb. Noise of the train. See what you mean.
May I sit down?
Do what you like.
Sit beside me.
Not very much. Biddly bomb.
Biddly bomb.
My name is Bond.
Your name is Bond?
Basildon Bond.
Basildon Bond.
008.
License to kill?
Shaken, not stirred.
My name is Kronk.
Vladimir Kron. I know that name. You killed my friend in a fish shop. They found him there, battered to death.
Say your last words.
They found him there, battered to death.
No. Now you must die.
Vladimir, don't!
Vladimir did. Okay, you two. Tables are turned. Up with your hands.
He's got us cold.
Don't bet on that. Now, Mr. Bond, we met before.
Have we indeed?
Oh, yes, we have. Do you recall? One magic night, Paris Spring, Champs-Élysées, Hôtel du Lac, room 69. Pardon my French.
When it fits Crocs, I should have known.
Then you recall.
How could I not? We met at 9.
We met at 8.
I was on time.
No, you were late.
I remember it. I drank champagne.
Out of my shoe.
Roses are red.
Violets are blue. I was your girl.
I was your man.
Hey, what a pair.
38 cup, as I recall. We were so right.
Adam and Eve.
Scarlet and red.
Tarzan and Jane.
Little and large.
I am Cochise, chief of Bassoon. Papa no good. Came to our land. Speak with our tongue.
Speak with your tongue. Get out, you wretch.
Sorry, once get.
Well done, my dear. Now, Mr. Bond, do we hold the cards?
Now then, you fool, give us the plan.
None on your life.
Think it go black.
Take that, you swine. Ow! One more for luck. Oh, all right, 3. Well done, Cochise.
I'm not Cochise. Here is my card.
Smith of the yard. Ha, 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 ha. Well done, my friend.
What happens now?
This is the end. We take a bow. And you two, too.
Thank you.